In this episode, we're plunging headfirst into culinary creations that will defy your wildest dreams. But first, let's back up. Delhi, the vibrant heart of India, serves as an emblem to the nation's dynamic culture and storied history. With a staggering population surpassing 33 million, Delhi proudly claims its position as one of the world's most populous urban centers. Here, you can find India's most unique, exotic, and bizarre eats. From the foamy creation, so addictive, it draws its name from opium.
और फिर वो बनती है अफीम वाली आप जो चीज कह रहे हैं वो है नशे की मगर यह है स्वाद की.
To a unique testicular delicacy that introduces you to a new world of offbeat flavors.
पर मोस्टली कस्टमर फैमिलीज वाले हैं और कपल्स भी हैं.
Expect the unexpected as we discover the most unique street food of Delhi. The dish you are about to see will sweep you off your feet. We're starting in a humble street-side kitchen that's been mastering flavors in Delhi for over 75 years. These third-generation proprietors are the guardians of one of South Asia's most remarkable traditional foods, taking the lead as our delectable headliner, goat feet.
पाया एक अच्छी चीज है सर. पाया सबको होता है क्योंकि गर्मी के लिए ये थोड़ा कम है और ठंडी के लिए डिमांड इससे ज्यादा. फर्स्ट के फायदेमंद है जैसे कि कैल्शियम, लो में दर्द हो गया, डार्क स्टार जो है डॉक्टर भी कहता है कि मतलब थोड़ी सा तुक्की.
Introducing Karode, directly translating to leg or feet. For generations, this heartwarming soup has remained a beloved wintertime delight, gracing the tables of both locals and those privileged to partake in its flavorsome embrace. To create this dish, simmer the goat feet for half an hour, allowing their natural gamey flavors to meld and infuse. As the magic unfolds, start crafting the broth. Heat up ghee in a vessel. Add ginger garlic paste, then sprinkle in a blend of chili and turmeric powder. Fill a pot with water. Then season it with a pinch of salt. Then India's triple spice threat: mutton masala, garam masala, and coriander powder. After the goat feet have finished boiling, carefully transfer them to a pressure cooker and introduce our heartwarming masala broth. Allow this mixture to simmer until the feet achieve a delightful tenderness. While it may look intimidating to some, don't be fooled. This feet-filled soup is an extraordinary amalgamation of flavors and textures that promise to warm the body and delight the palate. The harmonious blend of the sumptuously rich stew and the tender, chewy goat feet make it the ideal choice, whether you're seeking a comforting cure for a hangover or a hearty everyday lunch. Butter, carbs, cheeses, and a treasure trove of spices make Indian food utterly irresistible. Yet our next destination in Delhi catapults culinary obsession to unparalleled heights. Enter a foamy egg dish bearing the intriguing name of opium, a testament to its addictive qualities.
तो ये बाबूजी का आउटलेट है और ये 65 साल पुराना है. देखिएगा ये पटरी से शुरू किया हुआ काम है. मेरे बाबूजी जब मेहनत किया करते थे और पटरी पे बनाना और फिर रेडी पे आना. रेडी के बाद ये छोटी सी दुकान, दुकान के बाद का छोटा कारवा और आज बड़ा सा कारवा है. ये सिर्फ बाबूजी की बदौलत है और ऐसे ही जायके बनते रहते हैं और मैं खिलाता रहता हूँ क्योंकि ये जायके है ना, ये मेरे बॉय बरदान से मिले हुए. और मेरे बाबूजी आजकल लोग आते हैं शूट करने और पूछते हैं क्या है बाबूजी का मसाला. और आप मैं बताऊँ, जब वो चुटकी डलती है, अक्सर अंडे वाले आपको देखे हो तो वो चम्मच से मसाले डालते हैं और मैं चुटकी से ही वो करके डालता हूँ. क्यों? क्योंकि एक क्वांटिटी होती है सामान की और ये देना और उसको परोस के बनाना, ये कला है.
In the vibrant culinary landscape of Delhi, Sikandar Omelette takes center stage with an impressive menu featuring over 50 diverse egg preparations. However, the true star of their show is the Opium Egg Pot, a dish so irresistibly addictive that it caused a viral sensation. And how can we do that? Here's how it's made. Preheat butter in a pan, then crack 2 eggs in a bowl. Add onions, green chili, red chili powder, salt, turmeric powder, coriander, and tomatoes. Whisk these delightfully fresh ingredients together and pour the eggy mixture into the pan. Slice up toasted bread and add that to our omelet. Top it with grated boiled eggs, fresh coriander, succulent tomatoes, and a proprietary masala crafted from an exquisite blend of 17 diverse spices. Drizzle on some mayonnaise and flip the omelet in half. Then add 2 cheese slices and place everything in a clay pot. Now, the celebrity ingredient we've been dying to meet, that addictive foam. Butter, grated eggs, coriander, tomatoes, salt, red chili, a secret 17-spice masala, and Chinese masala all get whipped up vigorously until the foam is formed. Pour it over our pot and finish with even more boiled eggs, coriander, mayonnaise, and red chili flakes. The Opium Egg Pot is a dream dish for any egg enthusiast. Creamy layers of omelet create a rich base, harmonizing with a fiery spice blend, and the foamy crown adds an extra bold kick of flavor. If you find yourself already craving more, well, you're not alone. Our next dish reminds us of a time when our hunter-gatherer ancestors savored substantial meat parts for survival. Step into a deli restaurant that boldly serves colossal mutton legs.
ये मटन रोस्ट माशाल्लाह जो लोग खाने वाले हैं ना मटन को रोस्ट में ये रोस्ट होता है सीखता है बड़ा अच्छा लगता है और डाइजेस्ट होने में भी बहुत कुछ शानदार चीज है और ज्यादातर अरबियन कल्चर है ये गल्फ में बहुत कंट्री में बहुत चलता है ये हमने इसको भी यहाँ पर भी प्रिपेयर करा तो लोगों ने यहाँ पर भी हमें बहुत अच्छी इसका बहुत अच्छा रिव्यू मिल रहा है हमारे बड़े भाई के दिमाग में आया था ये माशाल्लाह उन्होंने माशाल्लाह इसको उनके ही फोकस सारा उनको ही रहता है और वो माशाल्लाह कंट्रियों में घूमते रहते हैं वहाँ से उठा उठा के चीजें लाती है
Meet mutton rug, a 16th century culinary legend from the Mughlai era, featuring a majestic whole roasted leg of lamb. To craft this extraordinary dish, begin with curd, enhancing it with a robust blend of turmeric, fenugreek seeds, garam masala, corn flour, red chili powder, salt, and yellow chili powder. When the seasonings have melded into a symphony of taste, introduce our flavor-packed marinade to the boiled mutton leg, ensuring that every nook and cranny is generously coated in this delicious concoction. Time to grill. Give our meat 20 minutes to reach peak grilling perfection. And finish with a gentle beating to ensure it transforms into delectable tenderness. Complete with chopped masala, lime, a scoop of clarified butter or ghee, fresh cream, and fresh coriander. Confronting this colossal mutton leg will awaken your most primal instincts. The moment you sink your teeth into this ball-off-the-bone meat enveloped in a luscious, creamy sauce, you're sure to experience a true culinary bliss. When you hear brain, your thoughts likely race to the complexities of the human mind. But in Delhi, there's a deliciously different perspective to consider, akin to a crowd-pleasing Indian street food. Welcome to the intriguing world of lagas, a dish that's not only a culinary delight, but it's also believed to boost memory. Ignite the tawa to set our culinary escapade in motion. Cascade a vessel with a generous drizzle of oil with a touch of artistry. Lay the dough brain onto a canvas, intermingling it with vibrant red onion slices. Then let this flavorful fusion hit the heat for a magical 3 minutes. Add ginger and green chili, then cut the brain into small pieces and mix it well. For the grand finale, crown this masterpiece with a few generous scoops of homemade gravy. This masterful concoction boasts the essence of coriander, chili, garam masala, curd, ginger garlic paste, and rich notes of tomato puree. The texture is a grand symphony of opulence, fusing crumbly and creamy elements, similar to the embrace of freshly warmed cottage cheese. And as you take your first bite, the flavors of exotic spices slice through the richness of the brain, crafting a permanent imprint on your palate. As our culinary journey nears its conclusion, we venture into an unconventional realm of gastronomy as we delve into the world of testicles. Here, in the heart of the capital, we meet a connoisseur who presents a truly premium offering of these unique, delicious delicacies.
मुझे 3 years हो गए, 3 साल हो चुके हैं। गुर्दे कपूरे कलेजी का लाइक टेस्ट इज गुड और चटपटा होता है। गुर्दा कपूरे में क्या होता है लाइक टेस्टिकल, इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं लीवर, तो ये सब चीजें होती है। इसका मिक्स बन के मटन की ग्रेवी में बनता है। तो गुर्दा कपूरे कलेजी और तवा से बनता है। बंदे बोलते हैं कि नहीं प्राइमल से भी बना लेते, बनता प्राइमल से भी है, बट जो टेस्ट है वो तवा से ही है और किसी से नहीं।
This is Gorda Kapur Aleji, a renowned South Asian culinary masterpiece comprising 3 distinctive components. Kapur's list. Gorda, signifying the liver, Aleji, representing the kidneys, and lastly, Kapur, an intriguing reference to the delicate fatty tissue that completes the ensemble, goat testicles. Start by cutting the goat testicles, kidneys, and liver into small chunks. Immerse them with a bath of turmeric-infused water, a transformative ritual that lends not only flavor, but also a visual dance of colors. Regrettably, we lack a snapshot of this.
Yikes!
Now it's time for culinary alchemy. Melt a cube of butter on a sizzling tawa and watch it transform into liquid gold. Add chopped ginger, green chili, coriander, and a few scoops of mutton gravy made from onions, garam masala, red chili, tomatoes, and mutton stock. Continue the culinary performance with tomato puree, a hint of salt, cumin powder, red chili powder, garam masala, and coriander powder. Fresh coriander adds a final touch of vibrancy. Then our boiled organs gracefully make their epic entrance. Finish with a squeeze of lemon, mayonnaise, fresh coriander, ginger, green chili, and a scoop of butter.